In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Epson EcoTank ET-2720 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-2720 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an Epson support page. This is Epson ET-2720. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going a little bit further down on the page, under operating system, click the drop down, select Windows and select Go. And then you just want to go underneath recommended for you and select our driver and utilities combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And once you've done that, go ahead and open up that file and should select yes. And then once you've done that, you go ahead and select OK and continue with the installer guide here. If you want to have a wired or wireless connection, you're welcome to. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.